Hey guys, Ryan here, going to do a quick tutorial on how to enter production in SA5. So let's get started. So it's not a very complicated process. There's two areas that we can go from the home screen. We can go to right here where it says add a production entry, or we can go up to here where it says production, this little button. So these will take you to the same spot. We'll just take you here, production up top, production entry right here. Then we're gonna go to the claim journal. So this is like if you wanted to like type in like one person. So we had an account number, like one job that we had to post, maybe like a one-time job, a landscape job, maybe something didn't get posted or we had to post something after the fact. We can put an invoice number in here. But if we're posting from mobile live, we're gonna go to the claim journal. Right here, you can see the work. What we're gonna do is we're gonna select the jobs. We're gonna hit claim. We're gonna go into the production journal now. You can see all these jobs were uh, were were done over the weekend. They were just snow blowing jobs. You can open these up by hitting this little pencil button right here, and there's all the information. So if you need to make some changes on maybe the start time, the end time, maybe the amount that was charged, or anything like that, there's all types of different filters in here. But if everything looks good, you're just going to either hit cancel or save, depending on what you wanted to do. You're going to go back up here to the production journal. And then let's see, it looks like there's two pages. So I just like to kind of see everything on one. So that's everything. See, before there was two pages, there was 45. And when we were up here before, we only had 25 selected. So it brought down a second page down here. See, 45 items. So there's only 25 on this first page. So we're going to select 50, or you could do all results. You can see now there's only one page. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hit this right here, and that selects them all. So we could do like, hey, we only want to post these three, and that would be fine if we only wanted to post a small batch of them. But we're going to check this. It selects them all. We're going to hit post. We're going to say, are you sure? We're going to hit yes. It's taking a second here. Just give it a second. Now everything was posted. Oops, over here. And we can return to my journal. See, these are all clear. This is our production journal. And these are the posted entries. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.